Have you ever wondered why certain foods taste so good? Or why some foods are better for you than others? The answer lies in the chemistry of food. Food chemistry is the study of the chemical processes and interactions that occur in food during preparation, processing, and consumption. In this video, we will explore the chemistry of nutrition and flavor and how they are intertwined. We will also learn about the science behind food additives and preservatives and how they affect our health. So, whether you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or just curious about the science of food, this video is for you. Nutrition is the study of how food affects the body and provides the nutrients necessary for growth, maintenance, and repair. When we eat food, it goes through a complex process of digestion and absorption in our body. Nutrients are the building blocks of food that provide energy, support growth, and maintain bodily functions. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients is essential for good health. Scientists study the chemistry of nutrients to understand how they are broken down and used by the body. Proper nutrition is also important for physical activity and athletic performance. However, it's important to note that while supplements can be helpful, they should not replace a healthy diet. In addition to nutrients, water is also essential for good health and hydration. So, whether you're eating a balanced meal or snacking on the go, understanding the chemistry of nutrition can help you make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Flavor is what makes food enjoyable and memorable. It's the combination of taste, aroma, and texture that creates a unique sensory experience. Taste buds on our tongue detect 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. However, flavor is not just about taste. Aroma plays a big role in how we perceive flavor. When we smell food, the aroma molecules travel to our olfactory receptors in our nose, which sends signals to our brain. Texture also affects flavor. The way food feels in our mouth can enhance or detract from the overall flavor experience. The chemistry of flavor is complex and involves the interaction of many compounds, including sugars, acids, and proteins. Scientists study the chemistry of flavor to understand how different compounds interact and how they can be manipulated to create new flavors. So, whether you're a foodie or just enjoy a good meal, understanding the chemistry of flavor can help you appreciate and savor the food you eat. Food additives and preservatives are substances added to food to improve its taste, appearance, and shelf life. While some additives are natural, many are synthetic and can have potential health risks. Scientists study the effects of food additives and preservatives on the body to determine their safety. It's important to read food labels and understand what additives and preservatives are in the food we eat. Choosing fresh, whole foods and avoiding processed foods can help reduce the intake of additives and preservatives. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients is also a great way to control the additives and preservatives in your food. However, some additives and preservatives are necessary to ensure food safety and prevent spoilage. Food manufacturers use additives and preservatives to extend the shelf life of products and maintain their quality during transportation and storage. So, while it's important to be aware of the potential risks of food additives and preservatives, they also play an important role in our food system. In conclusion, the chemistry of food is a fascinating and complex subject that affects our health, well-being, and enjoyment of life. Proper nutrition and a balanced diet are essential for good health and physical activity. Understanding the chemistry of flavor can help us appreciate and savor the food we eat. Being aware of food additives and preservatives can help us make informed choices about the food we consume. Whether we're cooking at home, dining out, or enjoying a meal with loved ones, food is an important part of our lives. By understanding the chemistry of food, we can make healthier choices, appreciate the flavors and textures of our food, and enjoy the social and cultural aspects of eating. So, whether you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or just curious about the science of food, we hope this video has given you a better understanding of the chemistry of nutrition and flavor.